बलसागर भारत हो, विश्वात शोभुनी राहो. बलसागर भारत हो, विश्वात शोभुनी राहो. Hello everyone. Do you know which the special day is today? Yes, today is our 73rd Republic Day, and we all Indians are very happy for celebrating our Republic Day very enthusiastically. And your classmates are also expressing their views in the honor of Republic Day. I know you are very much eager. So, let's see.
Good morning everyone. My name is Manav Suyo Kulkarni. I study in 4th standard of Tiraknagar Bal Vidya Mandir, Dombivli. Firstly, I wish you all a very happy 73rd Republic Day. India got independence from British rule on 15th August 1947. However, India became republic on 26th January 1950 as Constitution of India came into effect on that day. It is a very important day in history of India. The Indian Constitution was written by the team of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. The governing principle of the Indian Constitution is of the people, for the people and by the people. The Constitution is supreme law of the nation. It guarantees us our fundamental rights of democracy, simultaneously lays responsibility on every citizen to make our nation supreme in every aspect. On every 26 January, PM addresses the nation. Our national flag is hoisted and national anthem is sung. The Republic Day is celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm all over the India. Parades are also organized by our military forces. Let us promise to work for prosperity of our country. I would like to end this speech followed by a moment of silence for those great souls. Thanks for giving me this great opportunity to stand in front of you and express my views. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. गौरांग योगेश डिंगोरकर, इयत्ता चौथी तुकडी अ. आज प्रजासत्ताक दिन निमित्त मी तुम्हाला तुमच्या समोर भाषण सादर करणार आहे. ते तुम्ही ऐकून घ्यावे अशी माझी नम्र विनंती. आपला भारत देश 1947 रोजी स्वतंत्र झाला, पण आपली राज्यघटना 26 जानेवारी 1950 रोजी अंमलात आली. म्हणून 26 जानेवारी हा प्रजासत्ताक दिन म्हणून साजरा केला जातो. भारतीय राज्यघटना बनवण्याचे काम डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर यांच्या अध्यक्षतेखाली सुरू झाले व त्यांच्या अथक परिश्रमामुळे जगातील सर्वात मोठी राज्यघटना अंमलात आली. प्रजासत्ताक दिन हा भारताचा राष्ट्रीय सण म्हणून साजरा केला जातो. या दिवशी राष्ट्रपती भवनापासून लाल किल्ल्यापर्यंत भव्य परेडचे आयोजन केले जाते. भारताचे राष्ट्रपती लाल किल्ल्यावर भारताचा तिरंगा झेंडा फडकवतात. राष्ट्रपतींच्या हस्ते सैन्य दलातील जवानांचा त्यांच्या उत्कृष्ट कामगिरीबद्दल गौरव करण्यात येतो. देशातील सर्व राज्य चित्ररथ सजवून मिरवणुकीत सहभाग घेतात. वायुदलातील सैनिक अनेक प्रात्यक्षिके दाखवतात. सर्व सरकारी व निमसरकारी कार्यालयांमध्ये गृह संकुलांमध्ये ध्वजारोहणाचे आयोजन केले जाते. या उत्सवात आपण सर्व नागरिकांनी एकजुटीने व एकत्र येऊन देशहितकारक कार्य करण्याची प्रतिज्ञा घेतली पाहिजे, असे सांगून मी माझे भाषण संपवतो. जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय. धन्यवाद. My name is Gandhar Yogesh Dengorkar, standard 4th, division A. Today is Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. As we all know that our country got independence on 15 August 1947. After with great efforts, a committee headed by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, India's constitution was drafted. This constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950. Since then, India's Republic Day is celebrated as a national festival. Republic Day is main celebration is at Red Fort and Rajpath at New Delhi. Our tricolor flag is hosted by our honorary president of our country. A ceremonious parade takes place, which is tribute to India. Tribute to India in university is diversity and rich and cultural heritage. On this occasion, prestigious awards like Paramveer Chakra, Kirti Chakra, Shaurya Chakra are given to our brave soldiers who had dedicated their lives to protect our country. Republic Day is celebrated at every government offices, schools and colleges with great enthusiasm. It's a day that brings all the people together with same emotion to our country. Let's take place that we will all maintain a peace and harmony in our country. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
Friends, my name is Radhika Jnanesh Vaidya. Today is Republic Day. Today I am going to tell importance of Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. We celebrate 73rd Republic Day of our country. Republic Day is considered an important day in the history of India. After 26 January 1950, we become a republic nation. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as father of Indian Constitution. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. In 1950, the Constitution was started by our freedom fighters. Indian Constitution is the largest in the whole world. We all must respect the Constitution of India. It is celebrated all over India. We must attend the flag ceremony at school. Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Jai Hind! Thank you.
नमो नमः. मम नाम कौमुदी दिलीप शितोळे. मम विद्यालयस्य नाम टिळक नगर बाल विद्या मंदिर डोंबिवली पूर्व. अहं चतुर्थीकक्षायां पठामि. मम शिक्षिकायाः नाम मंगला बार्वे महोदया. माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, वंदनीय गुरुजन वर्ग तथा च अत्र उपस्थिताः देशबान्धवाः. अद्य जानेवारी मासस्य षड्विंशतिदिनाङ्कः. एतद् दिनं वयम् आनन्देन उत्सवदिनम् इति आचरामः. एतद् दिनं प्रत्येक भारतीयानां कृते आनन्दस्य उत्सवस्य सन्मानस्य दिनं वर्तते. अस्मिन् मङ्गलमय दिवसे भवतां सर्वेषां कृते प्रजासत्ताक दिनस्य हार्दा शुभाशया. अस्मिन् दिने देशस्य सर्वेषु नगरेषु राष्ट्रीयध्वजारोहणं भवति. अस्मिन् दिवसे प्रमुखसमारोहः राजधान्या दिल्ल्या समायोज्यते. भारतदेशः सुखी राज्यं भवतु इति सदाशया सर्वजनहिताय सर्वजनसुखाय संविधान निर्माण कार्यस्य आरम्भम् अभवत्. जयस्तु संस्कृतं, जयस्तु भारतम्. धन्यवादः.